Can you hear me now? Great. Good morning, everyone. Some of you might have heard about dementia. It is a chronic and debilitating neurodegenerative disease, far more misunderstood because of its characterization, marked by a decline in multiple cognitive abilities that significantly interferes with an individual's functioning, both physical and mental. Management of dementia requires both pharmacological and non-pharmacological approaches. To put it simply, it affects an individual's day-to-day functioning, resulting in physical and emotional distress. To help manage the disease progression, a supportive environment, social engagement, and medicine intervention are recommended. Music is one of the many known effective non-pharmacological approaches in practice. Studies show that musical memory is often preserved, even in later stages of dementia. For your loved ones with dementia, music promotes overall health and wellness, elicits positive memories, improves cognition and speech, encourages self-expression, increases self-esteem, dispels anxiety, assists in memory recall, as well as provides a communicative structure. With this backdrop in mind, we thought of holding Asli's talent showcase of solo singing for our seniors diagnosed with dementia. Hope all of you will enjoy this show. Now I would request Mrs. Perrine Jilani, caretaker, to please introduce Mrs. Jilani and to ask her to sing a song for us. Over to you.
Thank you, Bunny. This is Saju here from Epoch Eldercare. I'm the facility manager in Pune House. We have Perrine Gilani, Mrs. Perrine A. Gilani, who used to be a teacher, an arts teacher in her prime time. She's born and brought up in Mumbai, and was a full-time homemaker when she after she left her career and when she got married. Right, and she loves singing. She is well versed with her songs, and let's hear her today. So, with her favorite song, we'll request Auntie to sing it for us.
आजा सनम मधुर चांदनी में हम तुम मिले तो वीराने में भी आ जाए बहार झूमने लगेगा समा झूमने लगेगा आसमां कहता है दिल और मचलता है दिल मेरे साजन ले चल मुझे तारों के पार लगता नहीं गदिल यहाँ लगता नहीं गदिल यहाँ.
Absolutely beautiful performance, Ms. Jilani. So thankful for this beautiful performance for us. Now I'm going to request Dr. Khandelwal to please introduce us to Mrs. Harjeet Kaur, who is going to be presenting the next song for us.
Harjeet Kaur auntie is with us for the last 8 years. She has Parkinsonism and little bit of dementia. She is an ex-IPS officer's wife, very active, one of the most beautiful residents of Vardhan. Auntie is going to sing couple songs for you. Auntie Gana gao.
Dr. Khandelwal, can you adjust the video slightly? We can't see score.
क्या कहना ये देश दुनिया का कहना यहाँ चौड़ी छाती वीरों की यहाँ भोली शक्ले हीरों की मैदान में अगर ये हट जाए मुश्किल है के पीछे हट जाए.
और अब वो वाला गा दो.
झूठ बोले कौआ काले काटे काले कौए से डरियो मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी तुम देखते रहियो मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी तुम देखते रहियो तुम आके आगे क्या
मायके
चले जाएगी मैं पीछे पीछे आऊंगा तुम आगे चली जाएगी मैं पीछे पीछे आऊंगा आगे क्या?
झूठ बोले
कौआ काटे काले कौए से डरियो
very good Adi.
Beautiful, beautiful, Miss Korg. You know, this was a very spirited performance for our show. Thanks a lot. Heartfelt gratitude, ma'am. Now I'm going to request Sana to please introduce Miss Meena Bhattacharjee to all of us and, you know, would request for her performance.
Hello everyone, I'm Sana. I'm the clinical facility manager of Hope Kasha and she's Renu, our caregiver. And this is Mrs. Meena Bhattacharjee. She is 78 years in age and hails from Assam. She is a jovial, fun-loving mom of 3 kids who love her dearly. Meena ji had a doting husband with whom she spent her most happy years, in her own words, up to 2002 when he passed away. A few years after that, Meena moved to Delhi to be close to her daughters living here. According to her oldest daughter, who is now her primary caregiver, going to the daycare has had a positive impact in her moods. Here, she has found a companionship and a sense of meaning that complements Meena ji, whose personality is bigger than the dementia she's struggling with. At her core, Meena ji still is happy, intelligent, fun-loving, and proud woman that she has always been. Dementia be damned. Meena is an active participant at our daycare and is happy being here. We love her. मीना जी, आंटी अभी आप एक गाना गाओ, ठीक है? एक गाना मेरे साथ, हाँ, रेनू के साथ, ठीक है? हाँ, वो गाएगा, चलो। झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, काली कौवे से डरियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी तुम देखते जाओ, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी तुम देखते जाओ, झूठ बोले कौवा काटे काली कौवा से डरियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी तुम लौटे आ जाना। ओके, एक और गाना। जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, प्यार किया तो चोरी नहीं की, प्यार किया तो चोरी नहीं की, छुप छुप रानी धरना क्या, तो प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, किया तो डरना क्या। और कोई गाना गाओगे? ओ मेरे क्या दिल का चैन, चैन आई मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चाँद, चैन आई मेरे दिल का दुआ कीजिए। Yes, that's all, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. You know, one thing I can say for sure is, you know, we definitely had, you know, demanding wives because, you know, the choice of songs that is coming across is definitely giving a very significant message. Thanks a lot, Ms. Bhattacharjee. This was a beautiful performance. And now if I could request Ram to please introduce Mr. Chawla And, let's enjoy the next performance by Mr. Chawla.
Yeah, please, so hello, good morning, everyone. So I'm Ram Sharma from Epoch Elder Care, Frida House, Gurgaon. So meet Mr. MS Chawla here. He is very fun person. He is like 60s movie songs mostly, and his favorite actor is Dharmendra and Devanand. So over to Uncle.
I'm not well today, so I on his first. I am coming to you with some song from a film industry. So please cooperate. हम तुझसे मोहब्बत करके सनम, हम तुझसे मोहब्बत करके सनम, रोते भी रहे हंसते भी रहे, रोते भी रहे हंसते भी रहे, खुश होके सहे उल्फत के सितम, रोते भी रहे हंसते भी रहे, रोते भी रहे हंसते रहे। है दिल की लगी क्या तुझको खबर है कि परी पर आई नजर, पर आई नजर, खामोश थे हम इस गम की कसम, रोते भी रहे हंसते भी रहे, रोते भी रहे हंसते भी रहे। ये दिल जो चला एक आग की, आंसू जो बहे बरसात हुई, बरसात हुई, बादल की तरह आवारा थे हम, रोते भी रहे हंसते भी रहे, रोते भी रहे हंसते रहे।
Thanks a lot, Mr. Chawla. We have Die-Hard romantics today with us. It is such a nice, day. Initially, when usually, seniors are being talked about, they always say, it's bhajan time. This is that. But I think, I'm hearing most spirited performances today. So it's really heartening. Thanks a lot for sharing such beautiful renditions with us.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to request Dr. Khandelwal to please introduce Mrs. Bharti to us. And we'll have the next performance from her.
Amor.
Auntie, auntie,
Uncle वही वाला
has been with us for the last 8 years.
आप म्यूट कर लो.
He is epileptic, Parkinsonism and dementia. Bharti auntie, क्या काम करते हैं आप? एग्रीकल्चर, कौन से वाले एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट में? यूनिवर्सिटी के एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट में भारती आंटी कहती हैं कि मैं अभी भी काम कर रही हूँ. अच्छा भारती आंटी, एक गाना सुना दीजिए सबको. आंटी, हाँ भारती आंटी कौन सा गाएंगी? जहाँ डाल डाल पे गा दीजिए.
सोने की चिड़िया करती पसीना,
वो भारत देश है मेरा,
वो भारत देश है मेरा,
जहाँ डाल डाल पर गाओ,
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती बसेरा
जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म की पग पग लगते मेला वो भारत देश गावन की
पग पग लगते मेरा वो भारत देश मेरा
अच्छा, अब रघुपति गा दो जल्दी से।
सबका
एक ही नाम
एक ही नाम
सबको सम्मति
दे भगवान।
वाह, भारती आंटी।
Beautiful, Mrs. Bharti, beautiful. You know, we had these influx of different variation mood songs, you know, starting from Kaua Kate to, you know, Bhagwan Ka Naam also. So thanks a lot for these nice performances. Now I'm going to request Sana again to please introduce Miss Kavita Gupta to all of us and, you know, request her for a performance.
Who is Kavita Gupta? Yes, very good. Okay. So here we have Mrs. Kavita Gupta. She encountered dementia at the age of 57 and now she is 64 years old. An extremely simple person, her life was dedicated to her family and children. She would go out of her own way to make sure people around her were happy. Anyone who meets her now has everlasting impression of her smile, her poise, her diction, and sophisticated demeanor. Always well-dressed, Kavita ji symbolizes the elegance in her own way at Asha. Before dementia, she was an extremely sharp and intelligent person who had studied psychology herself. She loves to sing and dance and can still feel the emotions any song presents. Dementia might have taken her IQ, but could not take away her EQ.
EQ.
Yes. Come on. Kavita, let's sing a song.
Correct.
Oh Mere Dil Ki Chain.
Dil Ki Chain.
Yes. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh Mere
Dil Ki Chain.
Dil Ki Chain. Oh Mere. Once again. Dil Ki Chain.
Dil Ki Chain.
चैन आए मेरे
दिल को दुआ दीजिए।
ये
लेते ही नहीं है।
Brazil. कविता एक और गाना गाओगे?
ठंडी हवाएं
वो तो है।
गाओ, गा के सुना दो एक बार। ठंडी हवाएं लहराती आएं, रुत है ज़मां।
अभी ये दूसरा वाला आप लोग भूल गए।
और कोई और गाना? प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो डरना।
और क्या?
प्यार किया कोई
चोरी
नहीं की, प्यार किया।
प्यार किया कोई चोरी नहीं की, छुप छुप
ऐसे मरना क्या? और चाहिए?
It's the time to. It's the time to
इसको
leave. Oh, very good.
किसको तो ये फटाफट करते हैं।
मुझे कविता जी
मैं क्या करूँ राम, मुझे
बुढ़ा मिल गया।
मुझे
हो जाए?
एक
चलो
गाना
अभी
कर
कर
लेते
लेते हैं।
हैं।
अभी कर लेते हैं।
कौन सा गाना?
वही जो तुम्हें चाहिए।
ये वाला नहीं, यहाँ से नहीं.
ये नहीं, इधर में।
I think that's all, Kavita. Say thank you. Thank you. See,
Thank you, Kavita ji. You have an infectious smile, ma'am. Please do always maintain this beautiful smile. It's really quite infectious. You know, I could see smiles on everyone's faces while you were singing.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
I'm going to request Mr. C.B. Ghosh, caregiver, to please introduce and speak about him.
So we are. Hi, good morning. I'm Jomit, facility manager at Ipoh Garmir House. With me, caregiver Manoj. Mr. C.B. Ghosh, he was born in current Bangladesh and then spent childhood in Kolkata and later moved to Delhi.
I'm sorry, you know, if you could probably, you know, take off your mask because the voice is slightly muffled. We can't really understand you. Yeah, thank you.
Can you hear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. C.B. Ghosh, he was born in current Bangladesh and spent childhood in Kolkata and later moved to Delhi. He is an engineer by profession and worked with many multinational companies. And he is fond of football, cricket, and play games like caroms and other activities. Now,
जोमित आवाज नहीं आ रही है. अंकल आवाज नहीं आ रही है. कैन यू सिंग अ लिटिल लाउडर?
It's something. Never tried.
Jomit, we are not able to hear at all.
Yeah, he is singing slowly, very slowly.
Acha, okay. Maybe the mic is not
put
very close.
so that also is.
Sneha, do we have a backup recording for Mr. Ghosh?
Yes, we have.
Yeah, we have.
So do you think we could play that recording?
Sure.
Because I think there are some audio issues today. So, you know, we could probably play the backup recording. Beautiful, Mr. Ghosh. You know, because of technical issues, we could not hear you live, but we just heard your pre-recorded video. So thanks a lot for this beautiful song for us. And now I'm going to request Dr. Khandelwal to please introduce Ms. Savitri, and, you know, we'll have the next performance from her.
So, Savitri ji is my mother. She got into early dementia after I lost my father at 92 years, about 1.5 years back. She stays with us, and She has memory issues, but I think she'll sing a song, some Ramayana for you. Ma Ramayana. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. Jai Hanuman. जोर से बताओ. जय हनुमान
ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बलधाम अंजन पुत्र पवन सुत नाम महावीर विक्रम
जोर से.
हाँ,
जोर से गाओ.
हाँ,
महावीर
हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई ये जो पाठ कर जोई छूटे बंधु महासुख जो ये पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा हो सिद्ध साखी गौरी तुलसीदास सदा रिचेरा की जय नाथ हृदय में दे पवन तनय संकट करन मंगल मूर्ति राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय वसु सुरभु.
Very good.
रामचंद्र की जय यावर रामचंद्र की जय.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful, Savitri ji. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot for this
Ani,
beautiful
I
recitation.
would request, I have a small request.
Yeah.
We have a resident, Asha auntie. She wants to sing. Maybe
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
next. Huh?
Please,
So,
please, ma'am. We
over
would
to
love
Asha
it.
auntie.
Please, ma'am.
I am Asha Puri, living with Matan Senior Citizen Nursing Home. And I'm very happy here. So I would like to sing a small line for you.
दिख रही ना आशा आंटी?
Yes, ma'am.
I shall overcome. We shall overcome this.
अरे सासू से बोलूं तो जिठानी नहीं बोले, सासू से बोलूं तो जिठानी नहीं. वो तो बात बात में, वो तो बात बात में तो बड़ा सुझावे मारा जी, सुझावे मारा मारू जी, मैं पालो कैया काटूंगी. मारा हते ल्यारा बीच, मारा हते ल्यारा बीच, छाला पड़ गया मारा मारू जी, मैं पालो कैया के मैं पालो कैया काटूंगी.
Beautiful, ma'am. You know, it just reminds me, you've set us in the wedding mode. You know, you've set us in the wedding mode now. You know, these are typical things, you know. As soon as there's a wedding in the house, you know, we will have all these old memories, things, you know, coming back. So thanks a lot for this. Really, thanks a lot. So now I would like to, you know, keep the floor open for any other people who would like to perform or say something. You know, we still have about 15-20 minutes with us. In case someone would like to share a memory, would like to share an experience. Yeah, please.
Auntie, both aunties want to do a gidda.
Yeah, please. We would love it.
कौन सा वाला है आंटी? सोचो से पहले हाँ, बारी बरसी खड़न गया.
Yeah. So, hello everyone. Chawla uncle want to sing another song.
Yeah. So can we have the gidda first, and then can I come back to Mr. Chawla? Would that be okay?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
हाँ, करो करो.
12 बरसी खटन गया सी, खट के ले आंदा पतासा, ओए सारे वालों चुंड कट दी नंगा रथ, सारे वालों चुंड कट दी नंगा रथ, सारे वालों चुंड कट दी.
कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, एक और गा दो फटाफट.
आंटी और बताओ कौन सा गाओ? इसी चुनाव ना मैं मेरा तुझे क्या गाना था? दो शुरू हो गया.
ये टप्पे पर भी है.
हाँ, टप्पे.
टपे टपे दिले वाली, टपे टपे दिले वाली, मैं गुड़ी दिली शेर दी, टपिया तोड़ा वाली, मैं गुड़ी दिली शेर दी, टपिया तोड़ा वाली, उठे ते का बोले, उठे ते का बोले, चिट्ठी मेरे माये दी, बिच मेरा बिना बोले, आई माये दी, बिच मेरा बिना बोले. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Ms. Harjeet, and thanks a lot, Asha ji. It was beautiful, absolutely beautiful performances. Thanks a lot. Now I'm going to request Mr. Chawla to please, share another song with us.
एक और है अंकल.
Hello, I'm asked again to speak, so I sing a song from the film आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राह, कोई उनसे कह हमें भूल जाए, आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राह, कोई उनसे कह हमें भूल जाए, आंसू भरी है.
हो गया?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, I'm not able to speak.
Thanks a lot, sir. No, it was
No
a
problem.
beautiful, beautiful performance, sir. It was really
Thank
beautiful.
you.
Yes, sir.
Bani, you've made this into such a nice event. I can't tell you. I can't thank you enough for this.
I am so glad, everyone participated, and, Ms. Sinha, you, of course, helped me hugely in structuring this entire thing. So thanks a lot, to all of you guys, who could put this entire show together. So it was really good fun. So
could have been come out in such a beautiful way,
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't expect this kind of response, but yes, you pulled it off actually.
Yeah, it's all thanks to Bani. I mean, Bani, we should do this more often. I mean, so
Will
nice
do.
to see everything. I mean, there's so many ideas, and just the feeling of seeing everyone together is like so nice.
True. I mean, I could never imagine this could be such a spirited performance day, So this has been really an eye-opener for me. And thanks a lot for all the warmth and, for all the spirited performances, really. Hats off to all the seniors who participated.
Thank you very
a
much.
lot, sir.
Thank you, Bani. This is really nice. I mean, as Neha said, we can do it more often, Neha, to see everyone on the same platform. It's so nice, these people get dressed up and, coming in front of the camera. And it's really given us a different kind of activity, I would say that.
I know, we had not imagined. Yes, absolutely. I think
we should do this more often, yeah. At least once in a month or once in 2 months, at least we should do it.
Done.
For sure.
Absolutely.
For sure. Great. So do we have any other experiences or stories or any other performances that, seniors would like to share with us? Or should we call it a day?
Yeah, we should. We can call it a day.
Yeah.
Okay. So thanks a lot, everyone, for being part of, this talent showcase today. And definitely look forward to doing something together again soon. Okay. And, I always say that, this is what my Dadi Saas taught me, that you shouldn't ever say ki hum ja rahe hain. You should always say hum fir aayenge. So on that note, we will see you again. I'm not saying a bye. I'm just saying see you all again soon. So thank you. Thanks a lot for today.
Thanks a huge ton, Bani. We're really, really grateful for this.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Rekha ji. Bye.
Thank you, Dr. Khandelwal.